Hi, I'm Annette from MoneySmartFamily.com, and today we're going to show you how to make delicious cashew chicken. Okay, so when you make cashew chicken, we're going to talk through the ingredients. There's three major ingredients, okay? One is the chicken, which I got a super duper deal on boneless, skinless chicken breast. It was actually 87 cents a pound. The second main ingredient is onions, but if you have someone in your family that doesn't care for onions, you can puree them in the blender. Okay, the third ingredient is celery. And what I did was chop up 4 stalks, and then I took the actual bunch of celery and I cut what I call the feathers, the leaves, and I will chop those up and use those. Those are great in chicken cashews. So you start with these. You also need soy sauce, and I normally buy soy sauce by the gallon from an Asian market and put it into smaller containers. And then cream of mushroom soup. Now, if you have someone in your household that does not like cream of mushroom soup, you can substitute cream of chicken or cream of celery. These are optional items. Water chestnuts, again bought from the Asian market. Bamboo shoots, again bought from the Asian market. And extra mushrooms. But these do not have to be added to make your chicken cashew tasty. The final garnishments for cashew chicken are chow mein noodles, which we bought these at Kroger, 12 ounces for $1.99. These cashews in the can go on sale periodically at CVS and Walgreens, and this big container was on sale at Sam's Club. The chicken cashew has started. I put 4 cups of water in here with a 1/4 cup of soy sauce and the diced chicken breast to cook. And now I'm going to start adding the other ingredients. Here is the onion, and for this particular day I did puree it. I don't always do that. Next is the celery, lots of celery, yum, delicious celery. Stir it in. Next is the mushrooms, and these were optional, but we like mushrooms, so we're putting them in. Next is the water chestnuts. Again, they're optional. And finally, the cream of mushroom soup. And it could be as heavy or as light as you want it. At least 1 can. I'm going to stir it in. I will probably add a 2nd can to make it nice and creamy. I'm thickening the gravy right before we serve it. And I'm using about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch per cup of liquid. And it will be nice and thick and make a delicious topped over rice. The final step is scooping out the chicken cashew to put on the rice. Boy, does this look good. 1 more scoop. We're going to top it with Chinese noodles and some cashews. This cashew chicken recipe feeds 8 to 10 people and serves up for about $1 a person. It's a great recipe for eating at home and saving money. Make sure you go to our website to see the recipe, and it'll have all the breakdown of all the pricing.
If you enjoyed this chicken cashew recipe, please leave a comment below and consider subscribing to our channel and watch these recipe playlists next.